Welcome to my video. This is ASTROcard, aka the Astro Fiend. If you like, please subscribe and follow my blog, theastrofiend.blogspot.com, and my Etsy shop, ASTROcard. Now let's get into it. To introduce my technical astrology series, where I talk about the more technical terms and information in regards to astrology, so that you can have a more technical understanding of astrology and how it works. In this series, I will be talking about the following astrology technical terms: elements, masculine and feminine, qualities, polarity, rulership, stellium, decanates or decans, degrees, aspects, orbs, quadrants, angular houses, succeeding houses, candid houses, perfections, ephemeris. Here's some quick facts about the 4 elements in astrology: fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Fire sign themes: action, ego, and passion. Earth signs: Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Earth sign themes: practicality and stability. Air signs: Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Air sign themes: intellect and knowledge. Water signs: Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Water sign themes: emotions and intuition. Here's some quick facts about masculine signs and feminine signs in astrology. Masculine signs are also known as positive or yang signs, and the masculine signs are fire and air signs. Masculine signs themes are active, fast, instinctive, and hot. Feminine signs are also known as the negative or yin signs in astrology. And in astrology, earth and water signs are feminine signs. Feminine sign themes are receptive, slow, passive, intuitive, and cold. Here's some quick facts about the 3 qualities in astrology. The 3 qualities are also known as modes, trigons, modalities, and quadruplicities in astrology. The cardinal quality signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn. Cardinal qualities themes are initiative and action. Fixed quality signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. Fixed quality themes are sustaining and shaping. Mutable quality signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. Mutable quality themes are change, adaptability, and growth. Here's some quick facts about polarity in astrology. Polarity's definition is each sign pretty much has a polar opposite sign that is of the same quality. This is called polarity. So there are 6 polarity pairs, and the cardinal quality is Aries and Libra, Cancer, and Capricorn. The fixed quality is Taurus and Scorpio, Leo, and Aquarius. And the mutable quality is Gemini and Sagittarius, Virgo, and Pisces. So it's just different sort of opposite signs based on their quality. Like cardinal, fixed, and mutable are different qualities, and cardinal is 4 signs: Aries, Libra, Cancer, Capricorn. Fixed is 4 zodiac signs: Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, and Aquarius. And mutable quality is 4 signs too: Gemini, Sagittarius, Virgo, and Pisces. Here's some quick facts about rulerships in astrology. Rulerships refers to a zodiac sign or house cusp that a planet rules over. Example, Aries is ruled by Mars. Traditionally, the first house is ruled by Aries. The first house ruling planet is Mars. Mary has her first house in Virgo. Virgo is ruled by Mercury, so Mary's first house ruler is Mercury. Here's some quick facts about stellium in astrology. Stellium is also known as statellitilium. Stellium means 3 or more planets in the same sign or house. Examples: Mary has Venus, Mars, and Mercury in Sagittarius. This is a stellium. Mary has Sun, Moon, and Jupiter in the 4th house. This is also stellium. She has a stellium in the 4th house. So she has 2 stelliums. The stellium with Venus, Mars, and Mercury in Sagittarius, that means there's 3 different planets in the same sign. And her second stellium is a house of stellium. And that just means that she has 3 or more planets in one house, which is the 4th house. Here's some quick facts about decanate in astrology. Decanate is also known as decan. Decanate denotes dividing each sign into 3 equal parts that are roughly 10 degrees each. So it's about 0 to 29 degrees. Roughly each decan, or decanate as the parts are called, are in the order of the sign's element and ruling planning triplicity. For example, the fire triplicity is Aries, which is ruled by Mars, Leo, which is ruled by the Sun, and Sagittarius, which is ruled by Jupiter. So the first decan of Aries is Mars and Aries, and it's roughly 10 degrees. The second decan of Aries is the Sun/Leo, which is roughly another 10 degrees, and the third decan of Aries is Jupiter/Sagittarius, which is roughly the last 10 degrees. Here's some quick facts about degrees in astrology. Before we talk about degrees, I have to explain what the zodiac wheel is. The zodiac wheel is a 360-degree circle. The circle is divided into 12 signs, each containing 30 degrees. So 12 times 30 equals 360-degree circle. In mathematical terms, an astrology degree is 1/360 of a circle. And an example of degrees is the sun stays in the zodiac sign for about 30 days. So each day is about 1 degree. Here's some quick facts about aspects in astrology. Aspects are also known as configurations. Aspects are the different kind of relationships between planets. Example, the trine aspect between planets is considered a good relationship. Also an example, 2 planets. So one is 0 degrees Aries and the other is 2 degrees Aries. This represents a conjunction because of degrees. Here's some quick facts about orbs in astrology. Orbs determine if a planet forms aspects between each other. Astrologers set a specific number of degrees, also known as orbs, allows for specific aspects. The smaller, tighter the orbs between the planets, the stronger and more impactful an aspect is. For example, 2 planets, one is 0 degrees Aries and the other is 2 degrees Aries. This is a conjunction aspect with a 2-degree orb between the 2 planets in astrology. So there's a 2-degree distance and 2-degree difference. And you usually use math to figure out the different orb. But here's some quick facts about quadrant in astrology. An natal chart wheel is divided into 4 quadrants. The quadrants are further broken down into 3 sections. These 3 sections in order are angular, candid, and succedent. Each of these sections are made of 4 houses. There are 12 houses in the natal chart wheel. So quadrant 1, which is the first quadrant, obviously, houses 1, 2, and 3, which deals with personal identity. Quadrant 2, aka the second quadrant, are houses 4, 5, 6, which is about personal expression. Quadrant 3, aka the third quadrant, are houses 7, 8, and 9, which deal with social identity. Quadrant 4, which is the fourth and last quadrant, are houses 10, 11, and 12, which are about social expression. Here's some quick facts about angular houses in astrology. The angular houses are also known as the angles. The angle houses starts the house quadruplicity of a chart wheel. The angular houses rules over the first house, which is the ascendant, the fourth house, which is the IC, the seventh house, which is the descendant or the DC, and the 10th house, which is the midheaven or the MC. And the quality is a cardinal quality. And the angular house themes are self, beginnings, actions, discovery, identity in relation to self, others, and the public, career, ego, connections, home, private and public life, to name a few. Here's some quick facts about succeeding houses in astrology. The succeeding house means succeeding, aka come after the angular houses. The succeeding house rules over the second house, the fifth house, the 8th house, and the 11th house in astrology. The quality is fixed, so it's fixed houses, so fixed signs rule those houses. The succeeding house themes are stability, values, earthly delights, money, associations, sex, romance, creativity, and being fixed, so stubborn. Here's some quick facts about canon houses in astrology. The canon houses are the last house of each quadrant of the chart wheel, so it comes after angular houses and the succeeding houses. Canon houses rules over the 3rd, 6th, 9th, and 12th houses in astrology. The quality is a mutable quality. All the houses are ruled by mutable signs. Canon house themes are change, movement, reflection, growth, job, education, improvement, spirituality, and health, to name a few. Here's some quick facts about annual perfections in astrology. Annual perfections is an ancient Hellenistic yearly time technique which makes astrology predictions based on your age. So it's each year you were born based on the zodiac house wheel themes. You can check your year by looking up annual perfection charts. For example, when you were born, it starts at 0, which makes you in your first house ascended perfection year. So that year will have first house theme. When you turn 1 year old, you're in your second house perfection year, and therefore your year will have second house themes, so on and so forth. To look up what year you're in based on your age, just Google annual perfection charts. Here's some quick facts about Ephemeris and astrology. An ephemeris is a reference chart that provides information about the daily positions of the planets in the solar system. An ephemeris is used to create birth charts as well as transit charts and other kinds of charts. Ephemeris can come in various forms of mediums: books, calendars, online calculators, charts, and software programs. Example, an ephemeris can tell you when Mercury will be in retrograde and in what sign a year from now. Thank you for watching. Again, if you like, please subscribe and follow my blog, theastrofiend.blogspot.com, and my Etsy shop, ASTROcard. Thank you.